Well, we're heading towards the second phase of the easing of lockdown restrictions, but it appears that violations continue in many parts. We have two incidents coming in today itself from Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. Now, in the first incident in Tamil Nadu, there was no social distancing that was maintained at a fish market at Tirupur in Tamil Nadu. People gathered in large numbers at the Sunday fish market. The visuals on your screen there show you how they had no concern for social distancing, and neither could any police nor government officials be seen at the spot. Pramod joins us for more on this. Pramod, it's an incident we've been seeing over and over again in various parts as we're heading towards the second phase of unlocking India. But social distancing, of course, maintaining social distancing is still a must. In this particular incident, that was completely violated and completely disregarded.
Well, it absolutely is true, and it's extremely shocking because this is not the first time such a thing has occurred in the state of Tamil Nadu. In fact, if you can actually rewind a bit, you can find a kind of pattern, because last week the same kind of issue occurred in northern part of Chennai called as Vyasapadi fish market, a Kasimedu fish market, where the same kind of a lot of group people started coming over to buy fish. None was maintaining social distance, and you couldn't see much people wearing masks as well. Same kind of issue has occurred here again on a Sunday, again on a fish market. Before that, it also occurred in Madurai, in meat stall. So this is turning into a very big issue, and we were not exactly sure whom to blame, because on one side you could see the people who are definitely not maintaining social distance. On the other side, the authorities were supposed to actually monitor, make sure that there is adequate space between vendors and the people are maintaining social distance. They are also not present over there. In fact, time and again the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, EPS, is coming forward and saying that people have to maintain social distancing, and you have to maintain 6 feet distance, you have to wear a gloves, and only then you can actually control this infection, because there is no cure to it. But at the same time, the people who are supposed to enforce the law is also not present there, and the people who actually have to maintain personal hygiene and social distancing, unfortunately they are also not following it.
Pramod, thank you so much for that update. Yes, it's something that we've seen repeatedly, not just in Tamil Nadu, but in various parts. In fact, it's something we've seen even today in Rajasthan, where social distancing was completely flouted, completely disregarded, as people in huge numbers gathered at the Pratap Chowk in Baran district for the inauguration ceremony of Maharana Pratap statue. Congress MLA was also present at the spot. Pachanda Meghwal took part in this particular inauguration of the Maharana Pratap statue, where you saw people gathering in huge numbers, completely disregarding social distancing norms, as the visuals in your screen show you.